Hi, I'm Jennifer from Skyezone, and several of my customers will be familiar with the airless serum containers. So as you use the product, it pumps up from the bottom until you get right to the top, and you can get every last bit out of the container by unscrewing it and either using a cotton bud to get it out. And then it's, okay, I've got this fabulous container, what can I do with it? Well, you can reuse it easily. First thing to do is, while you've still got a bit of product in the top there, take a clean or sterilized chopstick is a good one because it's got a soft end, and push the seal back to the bottom. Now you want to do this just carefully. If you do it too hard or too firmly, you can tip it sideways and then the container's no good at all. So just push it back gently to the bottom and you can see it go right there. And then obviously sterilize the container, clean it well, and you can refill it with anything that's soft enough to pump, just not too thick. Screw the top back on and make sure that's nice and clean, and away you go. Thank you.